In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and submit an AI speaker voice in Descript. First, open Descript on your PC. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're running it on a stable internet connection so everything syncs properly. When the app opens, sign into your account. Use the credentials you normally use and confirm you're in the correct workspace if you have more than one. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on AI speakers. This is where Descript organizes voice models so you can create, manage, and use them in your projects. If this is your first time here, don't worry, the process is straightforward. Next, click Create New Speaker. This starts the setup for a fresh voice profile. You'll be prompted to name the voice you're about to record. Choose a name you'll recognize later, something clear and descriptive, and then click Confirm. The name is just for your reference, so keep it simple and consistent. Before you record, you'll see a consent screen. Read it carefully. It explains how your voice will be used and the permissions you're granting. Make sure you understand and agree to the terms, and only proceed if the voice is your own and you have the right to provide it. Now click Start Recording. For the best results, set yourself up in a quiet room and use a good microphone. Turn off fans or air conditioners, silence notifications, and position the microphone comfortably so you can speak clearly without straining. Keep your mouth a consistent distance from the mic to maintain even volume. Begin reading each script section clearly, following the on-screen prompts. Aim for a natural pace, neither rushed nor overly slow. Enunciate, keep your tone steady, and avoid dramatic changes in volume. If you stumble, pause, reset, and read that section again before moving on. Consistency is key for clean training audio. When you're done, listen to your recording. Play it back and check for background noise, heavy breaths, pops, or mispronunciations. Make sure everything sounds clean and intelligible from start to finish. If something feels off, this is the moment to correct it by re-recording the affected parts before you finalize. Once you're satisfied with the output, click Submit. Descript will start processing your sample, and you may see a confirmation or brief progress indicator. After submission, your new AI speaker voice will be available in the AI speaker section for future use in your projects. That's it, your AI speaker voice is set up and submitted. Thanks for following along, and great job getting everything recorded cleanly and confidently.